Hello students, I am today's your tutor for science chapter human digestion. I am Krishna Rath, and today we will study about human digestive system. It is a topic of life process class 10 series. So, what is digestion? Digestion is the mechanical chemical breakdown of complex foods into small absorbable nutrients the body can use. When we eat a large amount of food in daily life, it is break down into small components that our body can utilize to be useful nutrients like glucose, proteins, amino acids, fatty acids, etc. It transforms meals like chapati, rice, and milk into usable molecules such as glucose, amino acid, and fatty acid. It transforms meals. We eat chapati, rice like in daily life, right? It This chapati is converted into glucose amino acids by the help of digestion. I have given an example also. For example, starch in rice is broken into simple sugar your body can burn for energy. Doctors always say to diabetic patients that don't eat rice at all. Why? Because rice contains starch, which is converted into simple sugars, and diabetic patient doesn't have sugar, does not need sugar. Intake versus breakdown. Ingestion is the act of taking in food. It involves the mouth performing actions like chewing, swallowing, such as eating. How digestion is? First of all, we have to intake food. We intake food from our mouth and then we chew that. After chewing that, we swallow it. Then it transfers from esophagus to our stomach. Then digestion happens. What is digestion? Digestion is the chemical mechanical breakdown of that follow enzyme and digestive juices act over time. Okay, I have already said that digestion is chemical and mechanical breakdown of complex foods. How it break down? By the help of enzymes and digestive juice that act over time. Amylase in saliva starts starch breakdown. When we swallow food, saliva makes the food in the form of bolus, which acts in amylase in saliva that break down the starch into simple sugars. Then stomach acids and enzyme continue to break down protein. Then it goes through esophagus and then stomach where acids are present. It will break down also, and after that in small intestine it will absorb. Okay. So it is the diagram of our human digestive system. It contains mouth, teeth, tongue, epiglottis, salivary glands, pharynx, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, appendix, rectum, anus, stomach, liver, esophagus. So the diagram shows the digestive system from mouth to anus. It contains these all the glands and how it works. I will explain in the next slide. First, the food. What is food path here? The food path is first mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine. Mouth helps in chewing, chewing the food. Saliva with salivary amylase begins starch digestion. First we chew food, then saliva is mixed with that. After that, converts a bolus. Food is converted into bolus. Then bolus goes through esophagus. Peristaltic waves push the bolus down to the stomach. What is peristaltic waves? Peristaltic waves means it push down the food towards the downward to stomach, and it can be upward also. What is stomach? Mechanical churning with gastric juices, HCl and pepsin. Here, stomach contains HCl acids and pepsins, which converts the mechanical churning with gastric juices. Small intestine. Small intestine contains pancreatic juices, bile is secreted by liver, intestinal juice, finished digestion, most absorption begins. After that, I have already said that he saliva, then stomach, then liver plus bile, then pancreas, then small intestine, and after small intestine, absorption and assimilation begins. Absorption is the uptake of digested nutrients mainly in the small intestine via the villi. Small intestine contains a finger-like structure. These fingers. These as it works like food nutrients in fingers. uh, villi helps to absorb that nutrients. Glucose and amino acids cross into blood capillaries, while fatty acids enter lacteals lymph. Fatty acids are responsible for our lymph. Assimilation uses these nutrients for cellular respiration, growth, repair, and energy. All the nutrients that are absorbed in small intestine through villi are useful because uh, our body needs growth, and for growth, protein is required. So, protein and other essential nutrients are absorbed in villi. The villus microvilli, thin epithelium, and dense capillary network maximize absorption. Microvilli is also a part of villi, which also acts for absorption of nutrients. And dense capillary networks has blood flowing in it, which takes down that nutrients into all the cells. Healthy habits prevent digestive problems. Why we have digestive problems like acidity and etc. Disorder. Indigestion, discomfort after eating. We have a lot more of times that indigestion happens, constipation happens, diarrhea happens. Why these happens? Because our digestive system has some problems, or we didn't eat a balanced diet. What are healthy habits? Eat balanced meals. Balanced meals contain vegetables, grains, proteins, and for digestion, we need a lot of water. So drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Chew food thoroughly. We didn't chew food thoroughly like we eat chow mein, noodles, etc. We didn't chew properly. That we swallow it, and after that it is stimulated, or it is stuck in our small intestine, which makes indigestion and constipation. Regular exercise, fiber helps prevent constipation by adding bulk and speeding transit. For a good digestion, fiber is essential in our balanced diet. So after that, we have some 5 questions from this topic, and it is the last slide because I have to make this video short, so we can't complete this topic today. So, where does digestion begin? Digestion begins from our mouth because salivary amylase acts and converts starch into simple sugar. Which organ secretes bile? Liver. I have already said that in previous slides that liver secretes bile juice. Name the largest gland. The largest gland in the digestive system is also liver. You can also check that in this diagram. Here is the diagram. You can check that. Liver is so large in the size. So liver is the largest gland. After that, mm, where are nutrients absorbed? Nutrients are absorbed in small intestine where villi acts as microvilli also acts. Nutrients is absorbed. And which enzyme digests protein in the stomach? Oh, I have not said that in the slide. I think I forgot that. So here in small intestine, pancreatic juices and bile juice and other juices are secreted. So pancreatic juices and other amylase extract and digest proteins. Uh, so it was our last question. Thanks for watching. I hope you will select me.